Hi everybody, I thought we'd have a little change for this video. I was watching a good video last night by one of my subscribers, NeonJung. He puts up some very good stuff. I've always passed good comments on his stuff, and he is very good. He normally shows fluorescent fittings and other fittings being wired up, and he always does it safely, and yeah, he does a good job. Anyway, I thought I'd put this one up for him. Unfortunately, I haven't got many fittings that that he would like to see. I can only apologise for this. It's just that we can't have everything, and the amount of fluorescent fittings I've got, you can probably count on one hand. But anyway, I'll show you this one. I may have shown it in the past, I don't know. I picked it up last year at a boot sale. This is the boot sale at St Heliers Hospital, or rather very close to St Heliers Hospital. Unfortunately, as you know, it's not opening till May, so how I'm going to wait till May, I don't know. But anyhow, I thought I would show this for him. As I say, I'm not wiring this up or anything, it's pre-wired. It's actually was a job that was made, but I can show you it and see what you think. I will light it up. It obviously has two tubes. You'll probably know more about these tubes than I do, because I've always jokingly said, if a lamp don't have a filament in it, I know nothing about it. And even when it's got a filament, I probably don't know anything about it. Anyhow, there's the mate's FSL. It's a special tube in as much as it simulates it simulates daylight. There's two of these tubes exactly the same. I won't take them out, but they're a bit fiddly to put back in, and I don't particularly want to break them, because these look as if they could be quite expensive to replace. The fact that they are this special tube. Now this light unit is a SAD light. When I say it's a SAD light, the lamp's not SAD. It's for sufferers of SAD. That is a condition. I suffer from it slightly. In the summer, in the winter time, you just don't get enough sunlight, and you feel depressed and everything else. I think it's vitamin D that the sunshine provides. Now these lights, if they're switched on and for I don't know how many hours a day, if as long as that, is supposed to counteract the dull, horrible winter time daytimes, which are normally dull, and today is a good example. Everything's grey outside. Anyway, I've sort of cheered up a bit. It doesn't affect me quite as much as it did, but I know people that suffer from SAD. It is a genuine complaint, and this is what it does. Anyway, let me show you the fitting. We've seen the lamps inside. It's beautifully made. It's obviously an electronic ballast. There's no starter switches or anything like that. I can show you the, where was it? Somewhere he's got the blurb. I say blurb, there we are. I found it. There's the little sticker on it, which tells you all about it. Lumia Bright Spark. You've got the voltage and the wattage. CE, that's the European Community, which I'm going to have a little go now. I hope we are not stupid enough to leave. I'm definitely a Remainer, so we'll have to see how things go. Funny enough, insisted on my passport being red, and they've sent me the red one as well. That's what I was happy about the other day. Anyhow, let's show you what it's like a light. And it's an item I could show on such things as Instagram, because I'm on that as well. I'm only just really learning how it works, so bear with me. I'm definitely learning how it works, how to put pictures up on it. I know there's many people on that, and rather glad I've got on that. Now I'm going to turn it on. I don't know whether the camera will take it in as a sudden light. Probably will. Might even not. I've turned it on. Now that is obviously full. Well, I can only turn it on. It either goes on or off. It doesn't get. It's you can't control the amount of light. That is the actual unit of light, which I was almost dropped on the floor. There, I believe there should be a plastic cover or a diffuser at the front. That part wasn't with it. Now when I say I only paid, I think about £5 for it, which is equivalent to about €6, I didn't do too bad. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed. Any comments please make. And as I said, I was impressed with your video. The NeonJung, he produces some very good things. He's done a vlog as well, which was very good. I don't know whether I shall ever do a vlog. I don't think you want. I don't think you want to see my face on it. But anyhow, one day maybe, you never know. I hope you don't crack the camera. Anyhow, thanks a lot for watching. Any comments please make, and I'll get back to you. The next video will probably be back to the lamps. So once again, thanks for watching. Thank you.